Okay, so today, this is the lesson 1. This is the metals lab, and I'm going to show you, we're talking about properties of metals. Okay. Oops, that was way too much zinc for this reaction. I only want like one little thing for this one. Okay. All right. And then copper. So the first thing I want you to look at when you're looking at this is I want you to notice the color of these. Now you would do these reactions in your spot plate. Okay. So the first one is aluminum. You might notice that it is a silver color, maybe light gray. Iron, it's kind of like a dark gray. It looks almost black. Tin is definitely a silver color. They look like beads. Zinc. So when you look at zinc, it's like a light dark. It also looks like this in the bottle. Okay, it looks kind of funky. It's called mossy zinc. And copper, this is copper. Okay, so aluminum, iron, tin, zinc, copper. Okay, so record those in table 1 on page 4. The next thing is you want to look at the luster. So aluminum, we would say, has a dull luster because it's like a flat finish, whereas iron also has a dull luster. Where silver, or excuse me, tin, see how it's kind of shiny? So luster is its ability to reflect the light. So tin is kind of shiny. Zinc is more of a dull. It has kind of a little bit of a luster to it, a little bit of shiny. Copper definitely is shiny. Okay, so you can see the reflect. Density, when you pick up the aluminum, we had density cubes in class. So I'll just tell you, density, the aluminum is light. Iron, tin, and zinc are heavy. And then copper, when we felt the density cubes, it was also heavy. Okay, so the next thing we want to fill is for special properties. And one thing you can do is use a magnet. So you're going to record this in special properties. And you're just looking, but if I look, you can tell here, iron is magnetic. That's a special property. So you see tin, zinc, and copper are not. Okay, can go along the back. And try to go along the back, let's see. So iron is magnetic. That is one of the special properties of iron. Okay. All right, so next, we're going to do the hydrochloric test. This is hydrochloric acid, and we're reacting to see, and you're going to watch for how does it react. So now I'm going to zoom in. And you're going to see what kind of reaction is it. Okay, now when you watch this, you can see that aluminum is bubbling slowly. Iron reacts very, right? Iron has a reaction. Tin, so there's some bubbles there. Okay. Iron is reacting. Tin, when we look at this, right. Oh, my glasses. You want to look at this. Now zinc, I bought the wrong kind of zinc, but there are bubbles on the zinc. It's kind of hard to see. Okay. And copper, there is no reaction. Now with our iron, this looks like a vigorous reaction with our iron. Our iron is actually having a vigorous reaction. okay? And our zinc is kind of a slow reaction, okay? So that is, and with the iron, when we did with the iron test, you can smell, it smells like rotten eggs in here. So be glad that you're at home. So those would be our reaction tests.